In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Apple Family Sharing. Now, you want to load up your settings on the main Apple device which you use, and then you will just click on your name here at the top. Once you click on your name, then underneath iCloud, you should see Family, and if you have not previously set it up, it's going to say Set Up. So you just want to select it, and here it is going to tell us that we can share our subscriptions, music, movies, and other media purchases with up to 5 people, and you will just click on continue. Once you click on continue, it is then gonna show you the suggestions here for whom you want to invite, and you can just click on invite others as well. So you will just click on invite others, and it is gonna display the people which you can invite to join your family. You also have the option of creating a child account. So if you click on create child account here, it is gonna give you the fields to create the child account. You will fill out this information, and after you're done, you will just click on complete at the top right, and that is how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.